In this video, I'll show you how to fix the error failed to load custom.dll from the list. Error code 126 that you might see when running Schedule 1 or similar apps. Method 1. Restart your computer. Sometimes, a simple restart fixes temporary glitches causing this error. Method 2. Run the program as administrator. Right-click the program icon. Select Run as administrator. This can fix permission issues that block DLL files. Method 3. Reinstall the application. Uninstall Schedule 1 or the affected app completely. Download the latest version from the official source. Reinstall it, which often restores missing or corrupted DLL files. Method 4. Update or reinstall Microsoft Visual C++ redistributables. Go to the Microsoft website and download the latest Visual C++ redistributable packages. Uninstall or repair them to fix missing runtime DLLs. Method 5. Check for missing or corrupt DLLs manually. Search your system for custom.dll. If it's missing, try copying it from a trusted source or reinstalling the app. Avoid downloading DLLs from unofficial websites as they may be unsafe. Method 6. Update your graphics drivers. Sometimes, error code 126 is linked to graphics drivers. Visit your GPU manufacturer's website, NVIDIA, AMD, or Intel, and download the latest drivers. Install and restart your PC. Method 7. Disable antivirus temporarily. Some antivirus programs may block DLL files. Temporarily disable your antivirus and try running the program again. Or remember to enable it afterward. Method 8. Use System File Checker. Open Command Prompt as admin. Type sfc/scan now and press Enter. This will scan and repair corrupted system files that may cause DLL errors. Thanks for watching. If this fixed your problem, please like and subscribe for more tech fixes.